Hello everyone, welcome to True Salon Education. Many of us have so many doubts about daily hair care, like how many times we should wash our hair in a week, how often we should use shampoo and conditioner our the hair. Is it good to use shampoo the hair daily? Or what will happen to my hair if I do more shampoo? And how to get rid of oily scalp, etc. So let me clear all your doubts in this video. I will be explaining about pros and cons and how many times in a week you should wash your hair and how to take care of your hair, etc. Please do watch till end to know more. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with others. So let's start. Washing your hair is commonly viewed as a straightforward, routine form of self-care. But the more that's researched about how this seemingly simple task affects your hair health, the more confusion there seems to be about how you should wash your hair, what products to use, and how often to do it. Unfortunately, there's no easy answer here because it all depends on your hair type and styling habits. Here's a breakdown of the best ways to wash your hair, based on your own hair care needs. On oily scalp, however, not everyone can last for more than 24 hours without washing their hair. If this sounds familiar to you, then you may have an oily scalp. People with naturally oily hair don't necessarily have to worry about excessive moisture loss from daily shampoo sessions because the sebum in the scalp will always make up for it. You should wash your hair depending on how oily your scalp is. If you have super oily hair, you should consider washing it every day. However, dry and damaged hair should be washed less frequently. Sweaty workout. Another exception is people who are living in a humid area or who frequently do heavy workouts may need to wash more frequently or at least rinse. Sweat can spread sebum, causing your hair to look and feel dirty. A dry shampoo may provide temporary relief, but if you're prone to oily hair, you should wash it more often. Oily or straight hair. So, how often should you wash your hair? If you have oily or straight hair, you should wash it daily. Normal to dry hair types, as well as wavy hair may be able to go 2 to 3 days between shampoo sessions. You may also consider going as long as you can if you dye or chemically treat your hair. Natural hair. Natural hair needs to be washed the least amount, because it tends to be drier. You may be able to get away with washing your hair a few times per month. Longer hair may also need to be washed less often because sebum can take time to work its way down to the ends. Styling products. Styling products can build up in your scalp and lead to irritation and damage. If you use styling products every day, you may need to wash your hair more often. Age. Another consideration is your age. Oil, sebaceous glands produce less sebum as you age, so you may not need to shampoo as often as you once did. What type of water to use? Most city water is safe for washing your hair. If you have hard water, though, your hair may eventually have a filmy, dry texture to it. You'll know you have hard water if you see film build up around your shower, sink, and faucets. Hard water itself isn't harmful, it's caused by excess mineral buildup, such as magnesium and calcium. You can help counteract the damaging effects on your hair by using a hard water shampoo and conditioner. Another option is to use a clarifying shampoo weekly to help remove minerals and other buildup from your hair. Shampoo more often if you notice that your hair is oily, scalp is oily. Continue to add one shampoo day a week until you no longer see oiliness in your scalp. Shampoo less often if you notice that your hair is dull and shedding, hair feels dry. Continue to remove one shampoo slot per week until you no longer see dullness, shedding, or dryness. How should you wash your hair? When washing your hair, follow these simple tips to maintain healthy hair. Concentrate shampoo on the scalp, rather than washing the entire length of the hair. Shampooing the whole hair shaft can cause it to become dull and coarse. Dilute shampoo with water before applying it to the scalp. Too much shampoo can damage the hair shaft. Thoroughly rinse shampoo with cold water to prevent product buildup on the scalp. Use conditioner after every shampoo to improve texture and strength and offer some protection from harmful ultraviolet UV rays. Apply conditioner on the mid-lengths to tips of the hair and avoid the roots, as this can weigh down fine hair and make it look limp. Choose a shampoo and conditioner formulated specifically for your hair type. For example, if you have colored hair, use a shampoo designed for color-treated hair. Protect your hair when swimming, as chlorine can have damaging effects. Wetting and conditioning your hair before and after swimming can help replace lost moisture. So finally, coming to summary, oily hair, wash every day to prevent the buildup of dirt. Dry, damaged hair, wash every 5 to 7 days to allow some of your hair's natural oils to be retained on the scalp. Fine, thin hair, wash every other day to provide your hair with enough moisture. Wavy, curly hair, wash every 4 to 5 days depending on the density of your hair. Coiled hair, wash once a week for optimal hair growth. As you get older, your scalp produces less oil, so you may not need to shampoo as often. Hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share with your friends, and if you are new to the True Salon Education channel, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.